Y'all, it's me, the Freestyle Juicer, stopping by to say hello. Y'all, I do not want to be out here today. It is so windy and it's making it a lot colder. It was 77 yesterday when I went out on my walk and 67 the day before. It's 42 and the wind is a little strong, but the walk must go on. I hope that you are having a great Sunday. I know that I am going to be walking really, really fast because it's windy and cold. So I just stopping by, seeing how everyone is doing. May the blessings of the Lord be upon you and his favor follow you all the days of your life. And I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.